Now we want to take a look at some of the things that the library offers to help you with your citations. So here we are back on the library's homepage, and over here on the right-hand side in our toolbar, here are the citation tools that we have. One thing of interest is the Purdue OWL site. So let's take a look at that for MLA. What this will do is give you an overview and review of the different things that you need to know about MLA, and we do want to point out where you can get the sample paper. So here are the different information items that is offered. There's a sample works page and also a sample paper. The sample paper is very useful in helping you remember all the little tips and tricks about how to actually format your paper in Word. This gives you information that a citation management tool such as Noodle Tools does not cover, such as what does the first page of the paper look like. So this is the type of information right here in the center that you'll get, and the green and the blue boxes give you information from the manual. We also want to take a look at our citation format tool, which is Noodle Tools. So you can find that by clicking on Citation Format Tool, and it brings you to our login page. If you have not yet created an account with Noodle Tools, you can easily do so on the page that will appear on the screen here. So here's Register. And then once you have an account, you can log in right up here with your credentials for Noodle Tools. That's your personal access to this particular tool. Once you log in, you'll see a list of all of the projects that you've worked on. If you're brand new to the tool, you won't see any projects listed, and it will also give you the opportunity to start a new project from the resulting page. So here is the resulting page, and up here there's a green button in the upper left-hand corner that says New Project. So we can go ahead and click on that and give it a name. In this case, I'm just going to call mine MLA Prof. Lee, and I'm going to choose MLA, and you always want to leave it set to advanced so that you see the types of things that you're going to need to cite in college. It goes ahead and creates your project for you. And then from this screen, to easily get started, you're going to want to click on the Sources tab up here at the top middle. As you can see, Noodle Tools also helps you manage like research questions, links out. You can share your bibliography as well. But what we're interested in today is right here on the Sources tab. Once this comes up, then we are able to build a citation. From this screen, we can use the green button over here on the left to tell it we want to create a new citation. And then we can say, what we actually have here. So we have a magazine. And so by choosing the item type, Noodle Tools then knows which fields to show us to fill in to accurately cite this particular item. Keep in mind that it is much more accurate to go through and fill out this form than it is to try to copy and paste something in, because this is going to give you context-sensitive help from the MLA manual. So for example, when I click on article title, it's going to give me information on how I should capitalize the article. So then all I have to do is fill in the information here. So I'll be typing in the author name, the article title, paging, name of magazine, etc. So I went ahead and typed in the information. I did make one mistake, so I could show you what it does when it does find a mistake. So you'll see here for article title, I have a caution box, and when I mouse over that particular caution box, it tells me what it saw that was wrong. It said the first letter of the word anthem should most likely be capitalized. It is correct, I should have capitalized that. So it does try to flag those things. You still do need to make sure you're looking as well. But it does help with those things, as well as sometimes with a spelling error. So there's the rest of my information. I'll go ahead and click on Submit. That actually sends it out to the references list that I'm creating. So here's my citation that it just created. As I add more, it's going to alphabetize them by author and get it ready so that I will be able to use print export out here to send it out to my word processor. What it will do is download a file that I'll open and then copy and paste the material into my paper. I wanted to point out one more feature here that you'll find useful. Over here on the side under Options, it will even help you with in-text referencing or when you have to cite it within the body of your paper. So once you click on in-text reference, it shows you exactly how it should look in MLA, and it also gives you a little bit more information on placement rules, sentence versus parentheses, when author names are similar, that type of thing. So you'll want to read through this information a couple of times as you use this tool, just to refamiliarize yourself with some of these lesser known rules. So that's another way that Noodle Tools can help you with accurate citations.